You can see what is standard deviation, and standard deviation will tell us how the data is deviates from the mean, and it has a formula, and the steps are: you find the mean, subtract the mean from each value. In our case, our data point is the total steps, and also square each deviation, add the squared deviations, and divide the sum by the number of values. And that is when we get the variance. And finally, once we do all that part, we will try to take the square root of the result from step 5. That will give us a standard deviation. Why do we do this? Standard deviation will help us in understanding our data, right? So it tells us, for example, we have a set of data, and if there is a low standard deviation, we can predict future values with greater accuracy. And if it is not, then our predictions will be less accurate. And the formulas are given here. And again, this will tell us the data, how much the data deviates from the mean. So that is the definition of standard deviation. Again, to reiterate, standard deviation tells us how much the data deviates from the mean, and it is calculated by finding the difference between each data point and the mean, squaring the differences, adding them together, dividing the number of data points, and then taking the square root.